Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. And we are on the 4 hour time frame, zoomed out a little bit so that way we can see the three waves of A, the three waves of B, and likely we're in a impulsive trend for the wave C. I think that we're going at least to the 78%, right around the 149 area. We could also end up going all the way up to like the 90 or even the 100% Fibonacci extension pretty easily. Definitely no signs of this being over. There's no break of structure. There's no Fibonacci bounce, and there's no significant lower high. So I mean, we kind of have to continue to be bullish on this for sure. We have CPI inflation data coming out today. I mean, looking at the higher time phase, I don't really, even if it does make a push down, I don't really think it would be anything more than a pullback within an uptrend. I personally am doing nothing but looking for longs right now. I would be looking to go long at the end of all these pullbacks, and then most of these pullbacks are little three-way pullbacks, especially maybe on like the 15 or 30-minute time frame. So I definitely am going to continue to look for these little three-way pullbacks to go long, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. If CPI data does cause it to go down, then it's probably just going to be the beginning of a brand new three-way pullback, and probably eventually will give us another nice entry to go long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.